An idea goes around the world. It follows the sun, the largest and most important source of energy on our planet, to the world's largest solar parks, where solar energy is used in the best possible way. But that is not enough for us. To ensure that solar systems generate the best possible efficiency, our idea became a constant companion. Our idea, SunBrush Mobile. This means cleaning of photovoltaic systems reliably and in a drive-by to ensure that not a single grain of dust gets in the way of the sun. But good ideas only change the industry if there are people behind them who are passionate about these ideas. People who listen carefully to what customers need and work on solutions. We rely on our practical ideas and constructive feedback from our customers, and we put them into practice. We are bursting with innovation. Automatic level compensation on uneven terrain? No problem. With our Washtronic system. SunBrush on a pickup? We do that. Efficient facade cleaning? Sure, with our wall cleaner. A perfectly coordinated overall solution? That's what we offer. Cleaning machine, carrier vehicle, and water system in one carefree package. These are ideas that are constantly revolutionizing the industry. An idea needs people with a vision and creators. People who develop, construct, and bring them into a world with care and passion. People who travel the world and work from home, because an idea needs a home. We are located in the beautiful Allgäu in Germany. From visionaries to creators, from the Allgäu to the world, an idea on the path of solar energy. PV cleaning? SunBrush. We are your reliable partner when it comes to cleaning.